Hi, this is Roxanne Wheeler, your proactive lady, and I'm here to talk about Forgive Oil. The Forgive Oil blend is a wonderful way to help you deal with life's issues. It's going to be a wonderful oil to help your mind and your body to dispense of anger, irritation, irritability, feeling stuck, feeling regret and lack of joy. And it also this is the small bottle, the 83 drop bottle, which will be perfect for using in your diffuser. And that way, anyone in the room can be affected by this oil, and they don't even need to know they're being affected by it. It also comes in the perfectly diluted roller bottle. And this Forgive is so convenient to have in your purse, your workout bag, um, in your briefcase, at your office, in your home, wherever you are. And the Forgive is so easy to apply. You're just going to roll it right here on your pulse points if you want, on the back of your neck, on your chest, your heart, and that will be terrific for feeling better and feeling liberated from whatever is holding you back and making you feel like something isn't quite right. So it even helps some digestive issues and some circulation issues. So this is a very helpful oil in its constituents. So I would encourage you to use the Forgive oil. I know that I have used it in my car diffuser when we're on long rides because sometimes my husband doesn't like me how I drive. He thinks I'm into the left lane too much on the highway, and he'll get started on that, and I get irritated at that. And so I diffuse that Forgive oil, and everything gets smoothed right out. So try the Forgive oil today. Let me know how you are using it and what situations it's helping you in. Take care. Roxanne saying goodbye.